Hello and welcome to Introduction to Programming with Graphs. Today we're going to explore how graphs work and how to build a simple one in TypeScript. A graph is a collection of nodes, also called vertices, and the connections between them called edges. They're used to represent networks, like social connections or routes. Graphs can have paths, which are sequences of edges. Graphs show up everywhere. When Google Maps finds the shortest path, it's using graphs. Social media networks, website links, and even class dependency trees in code are all graphs. Graphs come in different forms. Some are directed. The relationships are one way. A graph of YouTube users subscribing to other YouTube users is a directed graph. Others are undirected, like Facebook friendships. Some graphs have weights, where edges have numbers associated with them, like distances. Others are unweighted. Some are cyclic, like when you subscribe to my channel and I subscribe to yours. They have at least one path that starts and ends with the same node. Others are acyclic. They have no paths that start and end with the same node. Now I'm going to help you create a simple, unweighted, undirected graph in TypeScript. You'll represent it using an adjacency list, an object that maps nodes to the nodes they're connected to. Start by creating a graph class with an empty adjacency list and a method to add nodes. Now, add an addEdge method, highlighted in blue in the screenshot, that connects two nodes. Since our graph is undirected, we add the connection both ways. Go ahead and make a quick graph that shows connections between cities using the code highlighted in blue. Graphs are used in real-world apps all the time. Learning to work with them builds your problem-solving toolkit, especially for interviews and advanced projects. If you'd like to dive deeper into graph theory, check out my video on the breadth-first and depth-first traversal algorithms. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below. And let's keep learning and growing together.